हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, पिछले वीडियो में हम एयर ब्लैडर के बारे में पढ़ रहे थे कि एयर ब्लैडर जो है वो फिश में बायोएनसी का कार्य करते हैं। तो एयर ब्लैडर के स्ट्रक्चर वगैरह हम सब ने पढ़ लिया, हम सारा पढ़ ले चुके थे। अब हम पढ़ते हैं कंपैरेटिव एनाटॉमी ऑफ एयर ब्लैडर, मतलब अलग अलग फिशेज में एयर ब्लैडर में क्या इनकी एनाटॉमी पाई जाती है। तो सबसे पहले प्लेकोडर्म्स में, among the placoderms, for example, fossil record of Bothriolepis have been found to contain a pair of lungs. Anteriorly, they open into the pharynx via a narrow ductus pneumaticus and behind extended on the ventral side of the gut. They were possibly used in conjunction with the gills and function as primitive lungs in meeting out of the O2 demand. अब है कॉन्टिक्थीस में, एयर ब्लैडर वाज ट्रांजिटरी रूडिमेंट एंड प्रेजेंट ओनली ड्यूरिंग द एम्ब्रियोनिक स्टेज एंड बिकेम टोटली एब्सेंट इन एडल्ट्स। थर्ड, ओस्टिक्थीस में, डिप्नोवियन लैंग फिशेज में, स्विम ब्लैडर आर वेल डेवलप्ड एंड फंक्शन एज लंग्स इन these fishes. The bladder lies on the dorsal side of the gut. It consists of a single lobe in Neoceratodus, but two lobes in Protopterus and Lepidosiren. In all the dipnoids, the air bladder is highly vascular but red body. उदाहरण के लिए red gland is not present. Internally, their air bladder is lined by low septa and possess thousands of air sacs similar to those found in the lungs of lower tetrapods. The swim bladder of Protopterus and Lepidosiren are supplied by pulmonary arteries which arise from the dorsal aorta and supply partially oxygenated blood to the bladder. The pulmonary veins arising from the bladder carry blood directly to the left atrium of the heart. During estivation or dry season, they use their air bladders as respiratory organs in a manner similar to those of lower tetrapods. It is of particular interest to note that in these fishes, atrium is completely separated into left and right part of ensure separation of oxygenated and non-oxygenated streams of the blood. अब है क्रोसोप्टेरिजाई में, the क्रोसोप्टेरिजियंस regarded as directed progenitors of the first amphibians also had swim bladder or lung. This is evidenced from their fossil records. The living members, Latimeria, however, possess a much reduced swim bladder that lies on the ventral side of the gut. Reduction in its size is probably related to the marine habitat. 5 है Actinopterygi. Many variations in the structure and development of the swim bladder are seen among the Actinopterygian species. It is more like a lung in primitive Condostian fishes, Calamoichthys, Polypterus, but not so in the modern Teleos. Holostians, however, represent a transitory phase between two of these fishes. A. Air bladder in Holosti. The air bladder of Holostians, Emu and Lepidosteius, differs from the bladder of Condostian. Polypterus is being a singular long structure on the dorsal side that connects with the esophagus dorsally by a pneumatic duct. The inner surface of the bladder is much increased by folding, which further contains tiny foldings similar to the alveoli of the lung. This condition is in contrast to Condostian, in which the inner surface is smooth and has no other respiratory character. अब है एयर ब्लैडर इन टीलियोस्ट. The air bladder of Teleos exhibit a rather wide diversity of anatomical features. In various fishes, sailors, gulpers, suckerfish, swamp eel, cuchia, sea moths, flat fishes and comb-toothed fishes, the bladder is secondarily closed. In other teleostem, the air bladder is retroperitoneal in position and extend to the entire length of the trunk. तो इस प्रकार अलग अलग फिशेज की अलग अलग जाति में अलग अलग प्रकार से एयर ब्लैडर की एनाटोमी पाई जाती है। अब है मॉर्फोलॉजी ऑफ एयर ब्लैडर इन टेलियोस. एयर ब्लैडर प्रेजेंट इन द वेरियस टेलियोस प्रेजेंट वेरिएशंस इन शेप, ranging from tubular, fusiform, oval, heart-shaped to dome-well shaped or horseshoe shaped. In a number of teleos, various finger-like cecal outgrowth develop from the air bladder. Most of the fishes possessing cecal appendages are sound-producing species. The air bladder is very often divided into two or even three chambers by means of internal septa or partitions. In many fishes, the cavity of the bladder is divided into two intercommunicating compartments by means of a transfer diagram, perforated by an aperture surrounded by a sphincter muscle. In Otopterus, the partition is longitudinal and divides the abdominal part of the bladder into two lateral chambers. Morphological variations in air bladders have been shown in figure. Our origin and evolution of air bladder. Origin. There are two theories regarding the origin of air bladder in fishes. First, according to one theory, the air bladder may have originated from a rare pair of gill pouches which had lost their external gill slits and become storage organ of air or gas. Second, according to another theory, the paired lung is the forerunner of air bladder. In other words, the presence of lungs in a more primitive character than the air bladder. Geological record indicates that Devonian was a period of frequent seasonal drought to tide over. ये इनके डायग्राम है. Tide over told the ancestral fishes had both gills and lungs. अब एविडेंस टेंशन 1941 में हमने बताया that the lungs were present in Bothriolepis, a fossil placoderm that lived in the fresh waters of Devonian. Freshwater bodies either became stagnant swamp with a low O2 content or dried up completely. Fishes with adaptive lungs survived and others became extinct or migrated to the sea since the seawater is rich in oxygen. According to Webster and Webster 1974, the swim bladder and lungs are not homologous. The differences between the swim bladder and true lung have been enlisted by Smith which are shown in table. तो swim bladder और lungs में क्या अंतर होता है? तो फर्स्ट क्या होता है? लंग्स के अंदर नो फ्यूजन ऑफ द ओरिजिनली पेयर्ड चैम्बर्स, जबकि इसमें स्विम ब्लैडर में फ्यूजन ऑफ द ओरिजिनली पेयर्ड चैम्बर्स विद ईच अदर डॉर्सली. सेकेंड है पेयर्ड पल्मोनरी वेन्स एंड आर्टरीज, जबकि इसके अंदर पेयर्ड पल्मोनरी वेन्स एंड आर्टरीज एब्सेंट होता है. तीसरा कॉम्प्लेक्स सर्कुलेशन इसमें नहीं होता, स्विम ब्लैडर में नहीं होता. चौथा चीफली फंक्शंस एज एन ऑर्गन्स फॉर एरियल रेस्पिरेशन, जबकि इसके अंदर चीफली फंक्शन एज ए हाइड्रोस्टैटिक ऑर्गन. Have a evolution of air bladder. Fishes that have remained in freshwater throughout their history retain lung-like organs for aerial respiration. Fishes that migrated to sea no longer needed lungs. Therefore, useless lungs have been transformed into useful hydrostatic organs in them. In other words, physostomes tend to the primitive and live in freshwater. Physoclists tend to the specialized and live in sea. However, exceptional cases have been reported in each category. अब एक स्विम ब्लैडर कैसे कार्य करता है? एयर ब्लैडर परफॉर्म्स डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ फंक्शन. इंपॉर्टेंट वंस आर बीइंग डिस्क्राइब्ड बिलो. तो कुछ मेन फंक्शन कौन कौन से हैं? एक तो हाइड्रोस्टैटिक. द एयर ब्लैडर स्पेशली फाइसोक्लिस्टस टाइप सर्व एज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट hydrostatic organs in fishes. The density of the fish flesh is higher than that of the surrounding water, and the gas contained in the air bladder makes it equal to that of water. The fish thus becomes completely weightless in water and is kept in a state of equilibrium so that it is able to maintain itself in position with very little effort. that is supported by the fact that teleosts which have lost the gas bladder are bottom living forms. Fishes with well-developed swim bladder swim easily in mid-water as compared to those having a small or no swim bladder. In the latter type, the sinking factor is much higher. The volume of the swim bladder is about 5% of the total volume in marine fishes and about 7 to 10% in freshwater species. Second है respiratory function. Many fishes, especially Physostomous type, use the bladder as a temporary or supplementary organs or respiration. In lower teleostomes, lung-like air bladder is present, which is primarily respiration in function. उदाहरण के लिए Polypterus, Amia and Lepidosteias. In Dipnoi, the air bladder resembles closely with an amphibian lung. In certain teleosts, such as Chirocentrus, Gymnorchus, Erythricnus, Umbra, and some Cyprinoids, the gas bladder functions like a lung. These fishes live in swamps or pools where the CO2 tension is high and O2 is low. These teleosts come to the surface, swallow air and pass it back to the air bladder, which is highly vascular. Third है as a storage organ of O2. Air bladder may also be used to the storage of O2 in emergency. It has been demonstrated both in Phycoclystus and Physostomous type. Cyprinus carpio, Tinca, Persa flaviatilis and Carassius auratus. This is important for survival during emergency. Fourth, gas secretion. If gas is removed from the bladder, secretion of gas takes place, which as first has a larger production of CO2, but later O2 forms the greater part. Secretions of gas also takes place if some weight is attached to fish, and during this the capillaries enlarge while the muscles of the gas gland relax and those of the oval contract. It has been reported that the gas gland epithelium is rich in glycogen content, which splits to form CO2 during gas secretion under influencing of carbonic anhydrase. 5 है gas resorption. Absorption of gas from the swim bladder takes place if the density of the fish is decreased by attaching a float or by injecting air into the bladder. Swim bladder, gas, pneumatic duct, alimentary canal, gills and mouth. फिर से 6 कार्य है कंट्रोल ऑफ बायोएंसी. A cyclopistous fish, Dormirator latiforme, emerges out its external respiratory organ when in hypoxic water. This accessory respiratory organ is in the form of flat and highly vascularized epithelium at the top of the head. After emerging it out of water, the fish is able to inflate the gas bladder and thus retains itself near the surface of hypoxic water for a longer period. 7 है sensory function. When the fish is subject, the pressure changes by moving into different depth of water. Compression of refraction of the enclosed air takes place. This leads to T-formation of the wall of the swim bladder, which function as pressure receptor like a manometer. Eight है sound reception. In carps and catfishes, the air bladder is connected to the internal ear by the chain of small bones. The wavering ossicles on each side. These ossicles convey the vibration of sound or vibration caused by the pressure change from the air bladder to the internal ear, which contains receptors of hearing and balance. 9 है sound production. Many fishes use their gas bladder for the production and reception of sound under the conditions of stress, excitement and territorial behavior. Minnows, loaches and eels produce sound by forcing air out through the pneumatic duct. 10 है एज एन एम्पलीफायर. Air bladder also act as an amplifier or resonator in ballast. Sound is produced by stridulation of the basal bones of pelvic girdle. The sound is further amplified by the air bladder connected to the pelvic girdles. अब है economic importance. Air bladder are cleaned, dried and exported to foreign countries. The lining of air bladder provides isinglass, a gelatinous substance in the form of shiny powder. The lustrous nature is due to the presence of guanine crystal. Isinglass is used as a absorbent in wine making industries. Clarification of wine. It is also used in making jelly for the food and contemporary. तो इस तरह से वेबेरियन ओसिकल्स या स्विम ब्लैडर या एयर ब्लैडर जो है इसमें जो है इसका हम इकोनॉमिक इम्पोर्टेंस भी. तो आज की वीडियो में इतना ही. थैंक यू.